Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian. Today I want to talk to you about something actually kind of annoying with the Fujifilm X-T200. So I did a video recently and I used the X-T200 as usual, and I did notice something quite annoying to me personally. So I wanted to show you that. So these Fujifilm cameras, basically they have different dials. Some of them are already pre-programmed, like this mode dial, I guess. And then it's got this other one here, and then one over here, and then this one. So none of these are marked or anything like that. So in terms of customization, you can actually program some of the buttons and some of the dials basically on the camera. And one of the ones that I wanted to program was this one. So, because it's right on top, so it's convenient. And then by default, in movie mode, this is going to control your shutter speed. So you have your aperture with this one, and then you have your shutter speed. But what I wanted to use it for was the movie ISO. So in camera, it has two places for ISO. So you have the regular ISO for when you take photos, and then for videos, for movie mode, it's got a movie ISO. So I wanted to use it for that. So that's fine. I will show you how. I'm gonna look at the monitor here and hopefully I can do it. And then we go to this option. So you can do these tiny buttons here on the back of the camera, and then some of these like on the actual screen, which I don't really use, and then only this one that you can program. So by default, it's gonna control the shutter speed, as I mentioned. So I have it set to movie ISO already. But what's interesting is if I switch to movie mode, which is already selected, this doesn't work. It doesn't change anything. I mean, it changes the shutter speed, which is the default function. And then you've got the other one here, which changes the aperture. So you can see the ISO here. This doesn't change it. So that's kind of annoying. But what I found out actually is if I change the mode, so let's say go to manual mode or any of the other modes, so you've got the same stuff on the screen, like the shutter speed, the aperture, and the ISO. So check this out. I'm gonna use the dial that I programmed with the movie ISO. Totally works. So I can actually change the movie ISO whenever I want with that. But remember, this is not movie mode right now. This is manual mode. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. And I swear, yesterday when I was messing with this didn't do anything actually, the dial. Because I remember, so I checked this one that was for aperture, and then this one was not doing anything. And I was frustrated because I wanted to get the one with the movie ISO. And I could only get it to work in any other mode but the movie mode, which doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, there's that. So movie mode, this controls the shutter speed, aperture. Any other mode than movie mode, you can program it to change the movie ISO. I haven't tried the other functions. That's the one I needed, and that's the one that didn't work. So yeah, this is kind of annoying. So that was what I wanted to talk to you about. Let me know your thoughts, and if there's any workaround that, or if there's any way to fix that. Anyway guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.